Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about English Standard 4 Term 1. First term examination 2020 and 21, 4th Standard English, answer key. Okay children, I hope you are all write well the exams. Very good. Now let us see the answer key, Roman wise question and answer. All of you get ready? Yes. See the first Roman. Write the meanings for the following. Okay, see the first one. Greet. The meaning of greet, salute. Okay, say the answer, salute. Say with me children. Say the spelling salute. S-A-L-U-T-E. Salute. Greet, salute. See the second one. Border. Say the meaning of border. Edge. Okay, edge. Say the spelling edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. E-D-G-E. Edge. Border. Edge. See the third one. Voyage. The meaning of voyage is long journey. Very good. Say the spelling long journey. L-O-N-G. Long. Journey. J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. Journey. Long journey. Voyage. Long journey. Again one time. See the first Roman. Greet. Salute. Border. Edge. Voyage. Long journey. Are you clear, students? Shall we move the second Roman? Yes. See the second Roman. Write the antonyms for the following. Antonyms means opposite. See the first question. Active. The active. Active opposite word. Lazy. Okay. Say the spelling lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Lazy. Active. Lazy. See the second one. Float. The opposite word. Sink. Okay. Float. Sink. Say the spelling sink. S-I-N-K. Sink. Float. Sink. See the third one. Old. The antonyms of old is new. Say the spelling new. N-E-W. New. Old. New. Again one time see. Active. Lazy. Active. Lazy. Float. Sink. Float. Sink. Old. New. Old. New. Are you clear, students? Very good. See the third one. See the third Roman. Write the plural form for the following. Okay. See the first question. Glass. The plural form of glass is glasses. You add es. Okay. Say the spelling glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Okay. See again one time. Glass. Glasses. See the second one. New. The plural of new is new. Okay, same word. Say the spelling new. N-E-W. New. Okay. See the third one. Place. The plural form places. You add S only. Okay. Say the spelling P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. P-L-A-C-E-S. Places. Place. Places. See the fourth one. Mystery. Okay, say the spelling mysteries. Okay, last word Y you take out, write I-E-S. Okay, you add I-E-S. Say the spelling M-Y-S-T-E-R-I-E-S. Mysteries. M-Y-S-T-E-R-I-E-S. Mysteries. Okay, again one time. Glass. Glasses. New. New. Place. Places. Mystery. Mysteries. Are you clear, students? Very good. Next we see fourth Roman, memory poem. Okay. Now see the memory poem. Yes. What is the memory poem heading? Yeah. Voyage. First 4 lines. Okay. Now revision for first 4 lines. See the first line. The horse and the tiger. Second line. The ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. Okay, again one time. The horse and the tiger. The ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. Okay, now say the spelling line by line. See the first line. The, T-H-E, the. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. A-N-D, and the, T-H-E, the. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. The horse and the tiger. See the second line. T-H-E, the. Ape, A-P-E, ape. A-N-D, and T-H-E, the. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. The ape and the goat. See the third line. Has found a new one. Okay, H-A-S, has. Found, F-O-U-N-D, found. Yeah, new, N-E-W, new. One, O-N-E, one. Has found a new one. See the fourth line. As Columbus had done. Say the spelling. A-S, as Columbus. C-O-L-U-M-B-U-S, Columbus. Had, H-A-D, had. Done, D-O-N-E, done. Okay, are you clear, students? Again one time. See the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. Okay, yes. Okay, children, next see the fifth Roman. Answer the following questions. Are you ready? Yes. See the first question. How did Vicky change at the end? Okay, again one time. How did Vicky change at the end? What is the answer? Here see, Vicky decided to do his work by himself. Okay, Vicky decided to do his work by himself. Okay, say the spelling. Vicky, V-I-C-K-Y, Vicky. Decided, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, decided. T-O, D-O, do. His, H-I-S, his. Work, W-O-R-K, work. By, B-Y, by. Himself, H-I-M-S-E-L-F, himself. Okay, again one time. Vicky decided to do his work by himself. Okay, how did Vicky change at the end? What is the answer? Vicky decided to do his work by himself. Okay, see the second question. Why should we read? Okay, why should we read? Say the answer. To gain knowledge and skills. Okay, why we should read means what is the answer? To gain knowledge and skills. Okay, say the spelling. T-O-2, gain. G-A-I-N, gain. Knowledge. Okay, say the spelling knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E, knowledge. And A-N-D, and skills. S-K-I-L-L-S, skills. To gain knowledge and skills. Why should we read? To gain knowledge and skills. Okay, see the third question. Why did he grow crops? Why did he grow crops? Say the answer. He grew crops for his food. Okay, if you grow is the question. Write the answer means past tense of grow, grew. Okay, students. He grew crops for his food. Okay, say the spelling. H-E-He, grew. G-R-E-W, grew. Crops, C-R-O-P-S, crops, for his food, F-O-R, for his, H-I-S, his, food, F-O-O-D, food. He grew crops for his food. Okay, why did he grow crops? Which answer? He grew crops for his food. Okay, again one time revision for answer the following questions. See here first question. How did Vicky change at the end? Vicky decided to do him work by himself. Vicky decided to do his work by himself. See the second question. Why should we read? To gain knowledge and skills. Third question. Why did he grow crops? He grew crops for his food. Are you clear, students? Shall we move the next Roman? See the sixth Roman, rhyming words. Okay, same sound words. Same sound words. See the first one, rest. The rhyming word best. Best. Okay, say the spelling B-E-S-T. Best. Best. W-E-S-T. Best. Rest. Rhyming word best. Best. Okay, see the second one, pale. The rhyming word of pale is gale, male. Say the spelling gale. G-A-L-E. Gale. Male. M-A-L-E. Male. Pale. Rhyming word gale, male. Okay, anyone you write. Okay, see the third one. Boat. The rhyming words goat, float. Say the spelling goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Float. F-L-O-A-T. Float. Boat. Rhyming words goat, float. Again on time. See. Rest. Best, best. Pale, gale, male. Boat, goat, float. Are you clear, students? Yes, very good. Okay, children. Next, see the seventh Roman. What are the headings here? See, write the suitable conjunction for the following. Conjunction means what is the meaning? Join the word. Okay, இணைப்புச்சொல். Okay, see here. First one questions you see. Would you like bananas dash mangoes? Which answer is correct? You say which answer? R. Very good. Okay, say the spelling R. O-R. Okay, again on time. Would you like bananas or mangoes? R is a conjunction word. Okay, see the second one. Gugan is small dash strong. Which is the correct conjunction? You say but. Very good. Say the spelling but. B-U-T. But. Okay, again one time. Gugan is small but strong. But is a conjunction word. Okay, again one time say, would you like bananas or mangoes? Second one, Gugan is small but strong. Okay, are you clear, students? Okay, see the next Roman, eighth Roman. Write the correct verb for the following sentences. Okay, now you write correct verb. Choose correct verb, then write. Okay, see the first sentence. First one, boy dash likes bracket the cake. Which is the correct verb? You say correct answer. Like or likes. Which is the correct answer? Likes. Okay, very good. Say the spelling likes. L-I-K-E-S. Likes. Boy likes the cake. Okay, boy likes the cake. See the second one. The birds dash fly or flies in the sky. Which is the correct answer? Fly. Okay, say the spelling fly. F-L-Y. Fly. The birds fly in the sky. Okay, again one time. Boy likes the cake. The birds fly in the sky. Are you clear, students? Yes. Okay, children. I hope you listen carefully. Thank you, children. Next, meet the next class.